everybody. I finally figured out how to make a quiz with random questions in it, and I figured the easiest way to share it with everybody was just to make a quick video. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to make a quiz with random questions. I should note that before you make a quiz with random questions, you have to have already created the questions in your question library. So you would just simply go to your question library, select new section, and then put all of your questions in the same section. The questions I'm going to use are in a section called Night Chapter 1. So we want to come over here to the Quizzes tab, select New Quiz. There might be more than one way to do this, but this is the easiest way I figured out how to do it. If you know another way, please share with the group. And we're going to call this Sample Quiz or Sample Random Quiz. And then we're going to add or edit questions. When you get to this screen, you should select New Random Section because that's what we're going to make, and give it a name. I'm just going to call it Random Section Example. Okay? Then we'll save that. So the easiest way I figured out how to put questions into that section is just to click on the name over here on the left-hand side, and then click the button Import. It's important what you do here. It's already going to be pulling from your question library, so just pull the section that you'd like to use. I'm just going to use the last questions I created. You want to make sure that once you've found that section, you select this toggle so that all the questions you've created are included, and then you just push Save. Your work is not done. The steps here are what determine whether or not it works. So I have 14 total questions. I want my kids to try half of those questions each attempt. So I'm going to put in 7. I'm going to remember to push this toggle so the system knows where to pull the 7 questions from. And very importantly, I'm going to push Save before I push Done Editing Questions, or else all of your work will be done or lost. So we're done here. We can look, it says you're going to choose 7 from the 14. You can pick how many questions you want to display per page. I like to do 1. You can pick allow hints. I did put hints in this quiz. If you want to disable the pager, that's all up to you. You want to save and close when you're done with your selections here. And that's it. If you want to come back and preview the quiz to make sure it works, it'll tell you. You'll see here that you have 7 questions, and there are 7 random questions. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions or if I can be any help, just respond to this email. Happy Friday!